Hi everyone, this is Kelly and my husband Dave, and we're doing another snore product review for snoringcanada.com. Today we're going to review the product called VitalSleep anti-snoring device. We ordered this online and it came very fast. It only took 4 to 5 days and we had the product here at the house. Comes with an instruction manual. It's got a lot of nice pictures in it, and the instructions are easy to follow. And what we like about this product is that it came in a carrying case that's easy to clean. It's got the air holes in it so you could dry it. After you wash your you could just use your toothbrush and wash out this item, or use mouthwash and then put it back in the case to dry. But what we really liked about this product is that you can customize it to your mouth. So there's a hex tool that comes with it, little metal tool. And in the instruction guide we were talking about, it does show you how to use the tool. So what we liked about this is that it's very easy to mold to your mouth. So what happens is you get a mug of hot water, and again, this is explained in the instruction manual. You put the VitalSleep device in the mug of hot water for 5 seconds. You take it out, you put it in your mouth, and it starts to somewhat mold to your mouth. After a couple of days of doing that a couple of times and getting it customized to your mouth, you can then start adjusting the lower jaw with the tool. And once that's adjusted, it has your lower jaw open slightly so that you cannot snore at night. That's how it stops you from snoring. So it's made of DuPont thermoplastic. So like I said, it can go in the hot and cold without being damaged. It's BP free and latex free. It allows side to side jaw movement, as well as, like we mentioned, micro adjustments to be customized to each person's bite and jaw. It comes with free replacements, including shipping for 1 full year, no matter what the reason is. I mean, if there's something wrong with it, you call them and they're going to send you a free replacement. So the first couple of nights, Dave wasn't sure if he was going to like it, just again because it's something in your mouth. But what he did like is that it didn't cause any feelings of being claustrophobic. It didn't cause drooling. It's flexible. And the more he worked with the hot water and making it fit his mouth, the more comfortable it became. For cons, there really is no cons to this. Just like I said, you can't put it in right out of the box and expect it to fit. But it is, once you get it customized to you, it's going to fit better than any of the generic products that are on the market right now. So, only con I could say is it's not ready to use right out of the box. But again, it allows for some natural mouth movement. And it is adjustable in little micro motions with the hex tool. So we've compared a lot of products by trying them out, and this is going to be one of our favorites. Dave did not snore when he had this in. It was easy to clean, easy to store, easy to travel with, and we're going to be getting a second one just for that reason. So thanks everyone for watching. Remember to check the website snoringcanada.com for more reviews and more details about the products. Bye for now.